If you're looking for an easy cookie recipe, give this a try. Hey guys, today we are making cake mix chocolate chip cookies. So easy, it's like 4 ingredients. So we're going to start with a cake mix and add that to our mixing bowl. I love using the bag clip and slicer to cut open cake mixes or brownie mixes. It just makes such quick work of that. All right, then we're gonna add in 2 eggs. Always crack into a separate vessel. The 1 cup prep bowls are perfect for that. So here comes number 2. And I have a unhelper under my feet. We've got 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. I'm using coconut oil. Use what you want. And my scraper is right here. I love using the Easy Read measuring cups. I was using something else and I just could not see where the line was, but these are so handy. You don't have to squat down. It's got the measurements on the edge, so super easy to see. All right, then 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using these mint chocolate bits because why not? So much fun. And then this is going to go in the mixer. Mix on the mix setting for, I think it said 45 seconds. So sorry, I'm going to have my back to you, but you can watch and see how well the mixer works. Just latch it into place. Slide on the paddle, lower it down. I already have it preset to mix. I'm going to set that and set the time. So while that's mixing, I'm going to get my stones ready. I already have the oven preheated to 350 degrees. Just tidy up. Okay, that was about 30 seconds. It's all incorporated. Don't want to over mix it. Want to keep it nice and undermixed, I guess. You don't want to overdo it and make it tough. And you can see how easy it is to clean up. This beater is really nice, and it's got the scraper, so you can even use that to scrape your bowl. So I have out my large scoop to make some good sized cookies. And I'm using the heart-shaped stone, which you can get for becoming a consultant during December. If it's after that, message me. We'll see if there's another opportunity for you to get it. I don't know. They may or may not be making that available for the general public. But stoneware is great to bake on. It's not just for pizzas. You can make cookies, you can make chicken, french fries, tater tots. My original pizza stone made so many french fries and tater tots when my kids were little. So leave plenty of space between them. That's going to go in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. The recipe was using the extra large scoop, but I wanted them a little bit smaller, not such a big investment when you're eating a cookie. Also, the Pampered Chef recipe calls for, you can make a peppermint icing. I just thought that was a little extra. I mean, I wouldn't say no if I had a yummy iced cookie, like those deluxe crumble cookies, but for the most part, I don't think they need them. But if you want the icing recipe, message me, and I'm happy to share it with you if you are making some deluxe, decadent cookies. Now, you don't have to chill these. They can go straight into the oven. If you want them to kind of keep their shape a little bit more, you can chill them, but there's really no need. And it's so easy. This is a perfect recipe if you are craving something sweet and you don't want to spend a lot of time making cookies, or if you have somebody who surprises you and shows up, or if you forgot about something and you need to take a dessert or something handmade, Oh, can I fit in one more? I don't think I can. You guys, I think I have 2 more cookies and not enough space. That's okay. I'll find a way. See, 2 more. All right, tidy this up a little bit. We don't need all these little bits laying around. I think I can do it actually. Let's give it a try. And if they spread out too much, that's all right. We'll have one giant cookie. Nobody would ever say no to that, would they? All right. Looky there. I think that'll work. All right, in the oven they go, and I'll show you what they look like when they come out. And here they are. Let them cool for a few minutes on a wire rack and then enjoy. They're delicious.